Good morning, guys. Today we are working on a Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. To be exact, this is the Legion 5 Pro 16ACH 6H. What we're doing here today is a simple RAM upgrade and an SSD upgrade. Customer did provide their own parts, so we're just doing the labor for them. This should be a relatively quick one, so let's get started. Alright, so the customer provided their own SSD, 2TB, a Samsung 970 EVO Plus, Vengeance DDR4, 32GB RAM. We'll just go ahead and start opening this guy up. We'll just make sure it is actually turned off. Up, alright, it's fully off. Obviously, first step here would be just removal of the screws. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of customers providing their own parts, just because customers have expectations of how their parts should function, and if there's a malfunction on their parts for whatever reason, they tend to think we're liable for that. So we mention it prior to accepting the job and tell customers, hey, you know, we'll take it, we'll do the job for you, but we don't offer any warranty of any sort on something like this. So we've already removed all the screws. Now it's time to just pop open the back case. I like to start off with a razor blade, just like all my repairs. Alright. So the way we're going to be doing it will also apply to almost every laptop that you have if you want to upgrade it yourself. Alright. Back shell is off. So now that we have the back casing open, we're going to go ahead and always unplug the battery. This is how we're going to unplug it. Just kind of tug. Battery has been unplugged. The RAM belongs in the RAM section. SSD hard drive belongs, well, he has 2 slots, and the customer did request to add it to the empty slot. Okay, let's do the RAM first. Let's see if we can just pop this casing open, just like that. We'll remove these sticks of RAM. And these are 8GB DDR4. Okay, just like that. And the second one, same thing. Done. Let's put back the case, the black box. Done. And now we have to find the area. This has the second slot, and this has been broken. Wow. And that screw is stripped. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Look at this. That screw is completely stripped off. Oh, doesn't even, just spins. That's crazy. When customers ask us to do stuff for them and they don't tell us the full story, bro, I don't get why they do that. This, and of course, the customer has 2 drives. And this guy already has a Samsung EVO on it. Dude, people be tripping out. it just complicates it for us. We don't know which one's which. This is the 512 PCI NVMe. Alright, let's give the customer a call and ask him which one he wanted us to replace.
Hello?
Hey Bray, it's YZ with InstaFix. How are you?
Hey, what's up, man? I'm good. How are you doing?
Not too bad, brother. Thanks for asking. Hey, listen, we are doing the upgrade for you as we speak, and first thing is first, we noticed that there's already 2 drives on your computer. Do you know which one you wanted me to replace? And then secondly, there is a cap that covers the drive. It's the shield. The screw is stripped. Did you strip it? Did somebody strip this?
Yeah, I think last year when I was trying to install it myself, I think I stripped it.
Okay, yeah. All right, well then, do you know which drive? The one on the right, the one that you stripped, or is it the one on the left?
The 2 drives in there, both of them are stock, right? Like, one of them is a Samsung?
Yeah, one of them definitely is not a stock, the Samsung one. The one on the right, the one that you stripped, that does seem like it's stock. I can't say for sure though.
What confuses me about that is like it was installed, right? But like I didn't get any of like the storage added to the one you take off.
I'm asking you, is that the one that you want me to take off then? Because you're not getting 2 terabytes, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's just what I needed to know. Okay, so I'm replacing the one on the left with the new one that you provided me. Is that right?
Right.
Okay, cool. Just finished replacing it, so you can come on in anytime.
Okay, cool, thanks, bro. I'll probably see you closer to like 3 or 4.
No problem at all, my man. We'll see you later. Alright, so now that we've installed everything, I'm going to close it back up. Customer was stating something about SSD not being read on his computer. It's funny, I think the problem for this customer was when he bought the current or the SSD that he installed, which is this guy, a Samsung Evo, he just didn't initialize it on the computer. And if it's not initialized and doesn't have a letter or drive to it, then your computer won't be able to read it and you can't use it. I think that was the customer's problem. And customers just, the lack of information, we don't understand what they're trying to do. They'll just tell us, hey, upgrade my computer, add this and this to it, that's it. I'm like, okay. I'll need to be a lot more specific. Give us more details. We'll ask you, we'll bombard you with questions just so we know we're actually resolving your problem. We don't want you coming in, we do the job and doesn't resolve the problem that's in your head. So we try to get deep in your thoughts and try to figure out what the problem that you're trying to resolve and see if we can resolve it for you or not. And of course, he said Geek Squad, they can't do crap. The amount of times that we get Geek Squad repairs, they're horrible. So I don't have the passcode on this computer, so I guess we'll initialize it when the customer brings us the computer or picks out the computer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this upgrade. This upgrade was just a very basic one, a RAM swap and an SSD swap. If you're replacing your own stuff, just remember to unplug your battery. That's the most important thing. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you guys enjoyed this video and for more content in the future. We'll see you guys on the next one.